I'm on the way up. Yeah, been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up. Been a long, long time coming, but I'm on the way up.
This is Phil Beckwith, professional painter and decorator, and this is one of the series of videos of the Brewers Trade Event up in Mansfield. I'm over at the Graphenstone stand. Now, if you don't know anything about Graphenstone, don't worry, I'm going to be interviewing Matt, who's going to actually explain a few things. But basically, I'm going to be talking about lime plaster stroke, the paints that you would need to go over lime plaster, which is a bit of a specialist product, specialist paint needed. And Matt's the man to explain it all. He's gone a little bit shy, says he don't want to go on camera, but as I've found with everybody, these are salesmen, they're sales girls, they're salespeople. Once they start the flow, they forget the camera's there, they're looking at me, they know their product, and they can sell this to ice to Eskimos. It's probably the wrong thing to say, but they can sell paint to painters. So we're going 1, 2, 3, we're swiveling around. Welcome, Matt. Don't know whether you've seen the channel before. I'm all about painting and decorating, honest product reviews, and I like to try and get the information out to people who are watching the channel about products that they probably don't know about or do know a little bit about but want a little bit more information. Yeah, sure. And now you're the man that's going to be explaining a company that I've seen about in Brewers but know nothing about. So it's over to you.
Right, in a nutshell, Phil, we are a paint manufacturer. We're a paint manufacturer of a mineral-based paint system. So where you have a project by, you've got to overpaint over a lime plaster, lime render. You've got an old property, for example, maybe it's listed, maybe it's under a conservation order or anything like that. You want the best sort of paint that is going to allow that building to breathe. So we can offer you a lime-based or a mineral-based paint system that will allow your substrate to breathe. Whether that's an internal or an external application, Graphenstone's the answer for you. What makes us a little bit different to some of the other mineral-based paint systems on the market is the inclusion and the infusion of graphene technology. I'm no scientist, but graphene is quite a new material in the world of science. I think 2004 is when it was officially discovered. And the infusion of that within our paints allows you as a user to have a paint rather than a wash. So think traditional lime wash. I'm not going to speak bad of them because they have their purpose in our world. But we can provide you with a paint which will do the same thing, but it will give you durability, it will give you flexibility, it will be able to give you colour, and we can go into the thousands. But ultimately, that product's going to breathe. Now, for you as a decorator, or for any of your kind of followers, the bit you need to know the most is just like using normal paint. Don't get feared up around that word lime, because that's the bit that normally strikes fear into you guys. It is just like normal paints. Brush, roller, spray application. Whether it's an internal or an external application, it's really nice to make lead. We're in a position to offer you the right sort of primers for the job in hand, as well as the top coats that you need. We don't give you too many options. We keep it nice and simple with the products on offering. We've got a designer range. We've got our heritage range, which is obviously great because we've got the association with English heritage, which is really recent in the last few weeks. And that gives a bit of a rubber stamp of approval to use our paints on old heritage type sites. You've got a new build, you've got a house of modern plasters, modern living, for example. Again, we're in a position to offer you the right sort of products for that because we have a mineral-based paint system. Graphene. Graphene's fantastic. Just like applying a normal paint, as I say, brush, roller, or spray application, we can offer it to you in 1,000+ colours. Simple as. Nothing to be frightened of at all by any of your followers or even yourself. It's a simple paint system to use, made easy by the inclusion of graphene technology.
And I'm understanding it really because everybody gets frightened about the word lime plaster and lime paint. But having spoke to Johnny a few weeks ago about what your paint is, the breathability, but also he explained it, and I'm probably cutting you short on this one, that you would come onto it as well. Decorators fear putting this sort of stuff on, but he explained it, says it's like putting an ordinary emulsion paint on, but with the durability of a durable mat.
Absolutely right.
And when it's dry, you have that and that's what we're coming into. You were standing in front of it. Yeah, we've got the Class 1 wet scrub.
Yeah.
Which, do you want to elaborate on that?
It's something you don't normally associate with the mineral-based paint system, because the luxury we have is having that graphene technology. That graphene technology allows us, or it gives the product, should I say, that Class 1 wet scrub, which you as decorators will all know is really important for the end user. If you've got something clean and wiped down at the end, that is almost unheard of in the mineral-based paint system world. Excellent coverage is something that is really important to what we have to offer here. You know, anything from 14 to 18 square meters per litre coverage. Higher volume solid content within the paint systems, up to 70% on average, which is vastly greater than most of the products you probably come across. And then in turn, it's a fantastic coverage power. It's amazing. It's easy for me to say it's amazing because I'm trying to sell it.
This is something I'm picking up on where I'm speaking to both of you. It's a product that if somebody puts it on for the first time, they might think there's no opacity to it, but you have to give it time for it to body up, and actually over the next day, over the next coat, you will see it will actually body and change.
Yes.
And it is another paint that you will say, oh, it's a false opacity paint, because when I go over it with itself, it seems to soften back up and goes to its original state, which it's not, because it's what it's going to do is actually the body of it. The opacity will actually come with time, and it'll be the next day when you'll actually reap the benefits.
Exactly. And
Yeah.
notice change over that 1, 2, 3 day period of time.
Yeah.
The colour, quite often we'll get conversations by, oh, it might look patchy, or the colour isn't quite right. Don't stress over it.
Yeah.
It will come over the next couple of days, and you'll see subtle changes to the point where you'll get a really, really nice flat finish.
Yeah.
Clean level with the products we have to offer range between 2 and 4%. It's really, really nice finishes, which is
So you shouldn't be seeing any flashing or anything like that at those sorts of percentages.
That's all.
So, yeah, you can still talk. Camera picks it up. Yeah.
The other thing actually I really want to kind of talk about, because it's something that is extremely clever, it's big for us at Graphenstone, is the introduction of our peel and stick patches. When it comes to choosing colour, we've all got colour cards with thousands of colours on these days. This, as you can see, is showing you, is our brand new colour card in association with English Heritage. For every colour you see on this, we have what we call a painted patch. Painted patches are an A5 colour sample, which allows you to choose colour at home in a very different way. So normally you would buy a sample box, you'd paint it on the wall, you'd maybe paint it on a piece of card. And quite often, on average, maybe 6% of that sample pot get used. The rest of it gets thrown away into normal rubbish, which is landfill and which isn't recycled. Our patches change that. So here's one I prepared earlier, making it easy for me. We have got a patch that not only is the backing and the front of it completely 100% recyclable, it's great for the environment. Whether your camera's going to pick this up, Phil, I don't know. There are really tiny, tiny, tiny little dimples on the back.
All right, yeah.
If you feel it, it feels quite tacky, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now, they are suckers. There's no glue, there's no chemicals, there's no toxins.
So it leaves no residue.
It leaves no residue on the surface. And I'm going to use that as my surface. When I take that off, there's nothing left behind.
You're not going to pull any cheap emulsion off with it.
You can keep reusing this, and it just hugs the surface. I like using that word, it hugs the surface.
Yeah.
It doesn't cause you any problems at all, no residue left behind. And we can keep using this multiple different areas around the home, moving it around, seeing what it looks like in different light sources. The other great thing about this is once we've chosen our colour, we re-stick it back to the backing. When we need to go out and choose sofas, cushions, fabrics, I've got a nice size sample that I can take with me and help me choose my colour. Very, very, very simple idea, very, very effective. That's upside down. So there we go. Painted patches, available at Graphenstone.
I've said it numerous times to different paint stands. Price-wise, where are you pitching on price? I know people get hung up about, oh, it's an expensive product, I'm not going to use it. But as I've said times many, speaking to some of the other stands here, if you've got a quality product and it's giving you the opacity, it gives you the coverage that you're actually needing less paint. What does it matter if something's going to cost you 20, 30, 40 pounds difference on a tin of paint?
I think when we compare our designer brands, we sit very comfortably within the designer brand market space, where we can offer you a 4 litre of our designer brand Graphene for slightly just under £100 for 4 litres.
Yeah.
It's really, really accommodating to some of the other brands out there. So when we come to our GCS range, which is our focal point for heritage, that would kind of be sitting around about the sort of £250 mark for a 10 litre tub. That 10 litre tub, when you break it down by coverage, it is by easily the most cost effective product on the market for a heritage application.
A 10 litre tub on an ordinary person, obviously we're not talking about Chatsworth House or something like that, but an ordinary person's house, a 10 litre tub is going to be ample for a room. Now, if that's £200 on top of the labour of everything else that's been done, what does it matter if your labour on your materials on that job's £500, but you've got the right products on it? It's something people probably sideline and go for the cheaper option, but
100%.
But then complain and then have to spend again.
Exactly, and this is the thing. You pay for what you get in life. We know that it's something we all use in many, many different types of scenarios throughout our daily, weekly lives. When it comes to paint, having the right paint system, whether it be for wood or metalwork, or for an old lime plaster or whatever it is, having the right paint system is key for longevity. And like you say, Phil, if it costs an extra 5, 10, 15 pounds more, but it's going to last 5, 10, 15 years more.
Yeah.
It's an easy decision to make.
You might have seen on TikTok reels and things like that, a guy goes around and says, why are poor people poor? And it's because they buy poor quality clothes. They buy the cheapest of the food that doesn't do them any good. And if they spend just that little bit more, I know it's very easy to say if you haven't got the money.
Of course, yeah.
But saving and getting the paint that's more suitable for your application that you're needing can actually be the cheaper option for you in the long term.
Massively. And I don't think when we come to look at things like GCS, for example, as the product it is, I don't think it's an over-expensive product. It's a product that is designed to give you longevity and durability. More importantly, it's designed for that substrate, whichever building it's being applied to breathe. And if your building is breathing, therefore your building is going to be happy and it's going to last longer.
It's the knock-on effect with everything else that's happening in your house.
Absolutely.
Do you know what? You've been a star. Thank you very much, Matt. Thank you.
Appreciate it.